Yesterday was day one of 45 locked in, and it did not go as planned. I wasn't planning on doing an update today, but yesterday was a bit of a struggle. Yesterday was day one of 45 locked in, so I figured I would do a quick update in case you're struggling too. 45 locked in is not a form of 75 hard, it's not extreme, and it's not a form of punishment. It's about sustainable discipline that can be continued past the 45 days. So for me, it's a lifestyle. I'm going to go over the standard for 45 locked in case you want to do it with me. First, you want to go deep on one thing. For me, it's YouTube, or learn something new. Walk at least 30 minutes a day. I'm choosing to do 10,000 steps. You can choose a step amount or just simply do 30 minutes. Um, I'm choosing 10,000 steps because walking gives me clarity. So the longer I walk, the better. Read 30 minutes or 10 pages of a nonfiction book. I'm currently reading Atomic Habits. Work out 3 times per week or more. I'm doing strength training and Pilates on my tonal. I like to work out at home. You can choose to strength train. You can do Pilates, yoga, tennis, basketball, whatever you want. But walking and your workouts are separate. Cook the majority of your meals. Journal, pray, and meditate daily. Yesterday was day one, and it was a little bit of a struggle because it was a work day. I had a couple clients, and I wasn't expecting to work as late as I did. And my commute back and forth is like an hour and 45 minutes. So I wasn't expecting to work out yesterday. I just knew that if I did work out, it was going to have to be at night, and I don't like working out at night. I woke up early to get some steps in because I like to break up my walking in the morning and in the afternoon. So I got in as much as I could before going to work. So when I got home, I had about 2,500 steps, and I needed 10,000. Being that I want to go deep on YouTube, I wanted to get a video out last night, which I was still able to do, but I did end up recording it later than expected and posting it much later than expected, which is okay. At least I got it done. So being that I took so much time to get the video done, it's not easy recording these videos by any means. Since it took me so long to record and edit, I didn't get outside until 8 o'clock at night. I was still determined to get my walk in. I was still determined to get the 10,000 steps. So I went on a walk from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock last night, and I was able to complete my steps. Thank goodness. I did end up at over 10,000 steps. The remainder things that I needed to complete for my 45 locked in, I luckily did before work. So all I had to do after work was to get my steps in and record my video. Even though it was a bit of a struggle, I was determined to get it done. So being that I walked from 8 to 9, I wasn't able to start dinner until 9 o'clock last night. So I ended up having a late dinner. Even though things didn't go as planned and some of the things were completed much later in the day than I wanted it to, I still got it done. I still committed and I completed everything I wanted to complete yesterday. Today is going a lot better, thank goodness. And even though I ate late last night, I'm really not tripping because I do intermittent fasting. So I don't eat my first meal until about 1 or 2 o'clock most days. I don't eat before 12. So my first meal is usually between 12 and 2 o'clock, sometimes 3. Just depends on how busy I am. But, sometimes I forget to eat because I'm just not hungry. In the morning, I drink hot water with lemon, and usually I've just been sipping on that because I put it in my water bottle. I fill my water bottle. It's 32 ounces. So I fill this with hot water and I squeeze a whole lemon in it, and it takes me a few hours to finish it. Um, And even if I don't do that, then I'll just sip on water. But I'm usually not hungry, throughout the day until around 2 or 3 o'clock. On the days that I work out, I do get a little bit hungrier sooner, so I try to eat by 12 o'clock. Sometimes a little later, but 12 o'clock. And then dinner, I try to eat dinner between 7 and 8 o'clock. And I think that actually I know that intermittent fasting has also played a role in helping me keep the weight off in addition to walking and working out. But I always worked out and I still had issues, especially around like my midsection. But when I started like walking with intention, look, I'm slouching. When I started walking with intention and getting those 10,000 steps in, along with the intermittent fasting, like it's made it so it's not hard to maintain the weight that I've lost. I know the reason why I'm able to keep the weight off that I've lost is because I cook all the time. I walk daily, I intermittent fast, and I work out. So all those go hand in hand. I don't think you can do one without the other and get the results. Well, I know I can't. I know for me personally that I can't not do one thing and still maintain my results. Like I have to do all of it. So the cooking, the working out, the walking, and the intermittent fasting. Um, and those things have just, I've been doing it for so long that it's just normal. But the 45 locked in is just to get me like back on track because even though I was doing those things, I just wasn't doing it consistently. The last couple months, I just noticed I wasn't being consistent with everything. So that's why I'm doing this 45 locked in, is just to like reset and refocus. Sorry, let me sit up. So anyways, I just wanted to make this video real quick just to talk about how I struggled yesterday, but I still didn't let it defeat me, and how today is much better. I still need to go get my workout in. I know what I'm doing on the tonal. It's going to be lower body. Um, I got half my steps in. Hold on. I got half my steps in so far. I'm at 5,529 steps. So I'm going to complete the rest later in the afternoon because like I said, I like to split my walk. I like to do morning and then I like to do afternoon as well. And then of course, I haven't even eaten yet. I usually eat the same thing every single day, which is going to be like an apple with peanut butter and dates. I like to sprinkle some salt on the peanut butter. Um, that's pretty much what I eat every day. It's going to be fruit, or I've recently started doing like edamame. So I might like I might switch things up every once in a while and eat some edamame with some like hummus and um, crackers or something. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick check-in, even though today is just day 2 and it's not done yet. I just wanted to share how I struggled with day 1. Um, I just want to share how I struggled with day 1, even though I had it all planned in my head that it was going to go like perfectly. All right. So things don't always go as planned, but it doesn't mean that you quit. You just have to push through it. Remember what you're committed to and keep going. Just stay on track. Stay on track. Stay on track. If you struggled with day 1 like I did, or if you struggle anytime in these next 45 days, it doesn't mean you quit. Just take note of what it is that you struggled with so you don't struggle again the next day. Tomorrow is a brand new day. Don't worry about what happened the day before. Take note of it and move on. All right. I just wanted to share that with you. I know my posture was not the best in this video. I just felt like just leaning back. Anyways, let me stop rambling. So anyways, I just wanted to get on here today just to give a quick update. I'll be giving another update in a few days, but if yesterday didn't go as planned for you, you can always start again today. It doesn't mean you quit, okay? I'm just sharing with you what my struggle was in case you struggled as well. It's absolutely okay. And if you struggle anytime in these next 45 days, It doesn't mean you failed. You just pick up and keep going. All right? You're going to get better by the day. I want you to remember that 45 locked in is not a challenge, it's a journey. It's not meant to be extreme, it's not meant to be punishing. It's just meant to be a way to get you to be more disciplined and focused. So if you don't do good one day, just pick up the next day and do better. If you're new here, my name is Amina, and I will see you tomorrow.